Now I'll show you how to use the library catalog so you know how to help your child place a hold. Your child may hold up to 5 books at a time. Go to limitlesslibraries.org and click My Account. Select a school catalog to search and choose your child's school. Then click Sign In. Your child's library card number is their student ID number or their 190 number. Their PIN is their birthday. Use the double digits for the month and the double digits for the day. For example, if your child was born on January 8th, their PIN is 0108. Click Sign In. Notice you can search the catalog in English or in Spanish. Search for a book and select the format. Notice you have options. You can select the book or the ebook, and for some books, the audiobook or playaway may be available. If you'd like to see if a book is translated into other languages, on the left, click Language, and you will see a list of available translations. If your item is available, you will see On Shelf, or it may say It's Here. This means this is a book you can request and receive quickly. If you would like to get a copy of that book, click Place Hold. This book will be at your child's school library. However, if you decide you'd rather pick this book up at a branch library, click on your name, click Titles on Hold, and then you notice you have the option to either cancel the hold or change the pickup location. You may select a Nashville Public Library branch if that is more convenient for you. Here are the list of available options. Your child will receive an email in their school Outlook email when their hold is ready for pickup. You can also have them check their library account to see if their hold is ready. You may continue to search for books and place holds. And remember, you can place up to 5 holds at a time. When you're finished, sign out. If your child encounters any problems in accessing the catalog or holding a book, please contact your school librarian for help.